Hello everyone, today we will be talking about lighters. So of course lighters are used to light things. In this case, this type of lighter would be most commonly used to light a gas-powered grill or sometimes a gas stove if it doesn't have an igniter or a pour igniter. And the thing about this is that it is quite an interesting device, especially compared to the smaller cigarette-style lighters, because this thing has well, of course, has a gas tank, but it also has a small pressure control valve. And unlike the gas lighters, which have a little grinding wheel which grinds against a small flint to produce sparks, this thing actually has a button that you would click to produce a spark. And there you go, that's some of the last gas left in this thing. It's almost empty. So let's go ahead and try to take this thing apart. It's got two screws over here. Notably, the warning on it doesn't say that you are not allowed to take it apart. Then this thing comes off, and now the lighter case should separate. Although there might be some plastic clips in there and stuff. Oh, this is gonna be good. I'm gonna need some persuasion. Okay, there you go. So, it looks like we got some very interesting stuff over here. We have the tank of butane, and this butane gas is actually under pressure, and as you can see, there is very little in it. It's just in there, right there. And normally butane is a gas at room pressure, but in this case the butane is pressurized, which causes it to condense into a little liquid over here. And as you can see, there's a small amount of it. And anyway, you might notice that there are actually some wires and stuff that lead up to the tip over there. And if you look very closely into the tip, you can see a little metal bit that sticks out over there. And on the side, there is this little punch out over here, which makes it ever so slightly closer to the tip over there. And the reason for that is because when you press this little thing in, there's this little unit over here, which is a piezoelectric crystal. And so what you do when you press down on this thing is that this crystal is made of a very special material that when it is pressed, it will generate a voltage across it. And in that case, that voltage would be high enough to strike an arc at the tip over here and ignite the butane gas. It is quite a fascinating little thing, and of course there is this small valve, which I think is actually kinking the plastic hose, the rubber hose, to control the gas flow. It's not a proper valve. And this thing over here, it's kind of strange because it looks like it's a gas thing over here, and then it goes out there. But this thing doesn't have a specific thing that you need to push in order to activate the gas. So this one button has to depress the piezo and also allow the gas to flow out. And I'm not quite sure how this tank is designed for a one-button operation. So that is something that I will have to look into. Bye.